Hey guys, my name is Roman. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be deciding which one is better, KFC or McDonald's. Who do you think won? Let me know in the comment section below before I start this video. So I ordered a KFC meal and a McDonald's meal. So before I start this video, please do subscribe to my channel to see some more fun videos of Goa and its food. So yes, let's start. Let's unpack. Okay guys, so I've unpacked everything. Let me start by telling you what I got from McDonald's. From McDonald's I got the McSaver American Cheese Supreme. It has the American Cheese Supreme burger, a Coke and French fries. And here I have the KFC meal, a classic chicken crispy, medium fries, mayo eggless dip and 1000 Island dip. So KFC has given me 4 ketchups because KFC I think knows how much I love ketchup. And McDonald's has given me only 2. So guys, I ordered McDonald's from Zomato and KFC from Swiggy, and it both arrived at the same time. First I'm going to compare the fries. I think fries are going to be same. This is the McD fry and this is the KFC fry. I know there's no much difference, but I kind of like the McDonald's fries more than this one because this has kind of become a little soggy and this has more salt on it. I also have a Coke from McDonald's. KFC didn't have anything in that meal. So they have given me 2 sauces along with the KFC burger. One is the creamy mayo. It's like white, you can't even see it. And this one is the 1000 Island dressing. I'm very excited to try it out. Okay, also this bun has got sesame seeds on top. And this bun is plain. So I'm very excited to try. I'm going to try a fry with the 1000 Island dressing first. Nice and tangy, spicy and mayo. Frankly speaking, I don't like such kind of mayo. Okay, let's jump on the burgers now. So guys, I pushed the fries far and got the burgers near. So first up, I'm going to try the McDonald's American Cheese Supreme burger. It's good size. Let's see what's that inside. There are jalapenos, there is a slice of cheese, some mayo, some onion and the chicken patty. It's a simple burger. So let's try it out. It's nice, it's simple. I need ketchup. Okay, I know this is stupid, but this ketchup compared to this ketchup wins. I always need ketchup with my burger, of course. I'm like completely team ketchup. If you are team ketchup, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so the jalapenos are not that spicy. They are tangy. They leave a little bit of spice, but it's tangy, sweet kind of. I love spicy food, so it's okay. The cheese is nice, it's melted. The onions are adding a nice crunch. So thumbs up to this burger. I'm very much excited to try this one, so let's try it out. Okay, let's see what's inside this burger. A lot of sauce. I'm feeling scared to open it. Wait a minute. Ooh, so this burger has the fried chicken, the KFC special fried chicken, lettuce and the sauce, and that's about it. Why is the bread coming apart? Okay, so in terms of bread, the McDonald's bread is better. Let's see taste wise which one is better. I didn't get any of the chicken in the first bite. Okay, this thing is messy. This has got a very nice taste. The sauce is really good. The crunchy fried chicken gives a really good taste, but I don't like the bread. It's just coming apart. I touch it and it's coming apart. Shit. A little messy, but a thumbs up to it. These cups have ice more than Coke. So guys, I'm going to give you all a little secret, a hint or hack, I don't know. So every time you order McDonald's, tell them to give you Coke without the ice, because the Coke is as it is chilled, and then they fill it up till here. Good hack? Good hack. I'm going to dip the burger in one of the sauces and give it a try. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but because it's very messy and it's just falling apart. One, two, three, here we go. The burger tastes really good with the Thousand Island dressing. I'm not very sure how it's going to taste with the mayo. Let's try it anyway. It tastes okay with the mayo, but I really like this burger, guys. As you can see, I'm eating this only. So guys, this one is not that great. It's nice. I love the bread. It's holding the burger really very well as compared to this bread. This bread is much better. It's like very nice, fresh. I really like the jalapenos in this one. With this chicken patty, tastes like that chicken nugget only. It's kind of the same thing. Let's dip it in this. I really like this dip. It's amazing. So usually when I go to KFC or McDonald's, I directly order the burger or something else. Never the fries. Only if my nephew Shlok is there, we order the fries. But other than that. So my favorite thing from KFC is their Zinger box. It has a burger, a piece of fried chicken, some fries, I think, Coke, the cookie cake. If I have a picture, I'll put it here somewhere. But I really like that Zinger box. Is that what it's called? Zinger box, I think. Let's compare. Fries, McDonald's, burger, KFC, and overall I think the winner is KFC, because I really like how they have packed the things, the sauces, the burgers, the fries. McDonald's is good, but I think it's a little bland. I felt the fries are better than KFC, but I would prefer to eat a KFC burger more, I think, because the chicken is very flavorful and it has got all that crunchiness to it. The sauces are amazing. Although McDonald's does have jalapenos and everything in their burger, but I think KFC is the one for me. Although price wise, they both are kind of on the same lane. I'm going to compare the prices. I ordered them on Swiggy and Zomato, so I got a good discounts on both apps. Yes guys, that's all that I had for you in my today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. KFC wins for me, but if you think McDonald's is better than KFC, do let me know what do you think is better in McDonald's, and I will definitely try it out. Also guys, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos on food and Goa. And yes, come back tomorrow for a new fresh vlog. Bye.